What if I told you that in 2025 you could start a business with $0 and you're not alone? Over 70% of new entrepreneurs now begin with less than $1,000 and many with nothing at all. No big savings, no fancy degrees. Just you, your skills, and the right strategy. The economy is shifting and new opportunities are emerging. But will you seize them or watch others take the lead? The side hustle game has evolved. In the past, you'd mow lawns or babysit. Today, you can create content or sell digital products, all from your phone. Gone are the days when physical labor was your only option. Today, thanks to technology and changing consumer habits, you can launch a side hustle with nothing but an internet connection. In fact, by 2025, the gig economy is projected to reach over $450 billion globally. That means more demand, more niches, and more chances for you to carve out your space. Think about this. You're already spending hours online every day. The average American aged 16 to 30 spends over 3 hours a day on social media alone. What if even 30 minutes of that time could turn into a source of income? Number 1. Digital products and ebooks. Creating and selling digital products is one of the easiest ways to generate passive income with zero upfront cost. Whether it's an ebook, a budget planner, or a Notion template, you can create it once and sell it forever on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. For example, a simple daily habit tracker template can become a bestseller and earn you recurring income. Number 2. Freelance content creation. Content is king in 2025. Every business needs blog posts, videos, and social media content to engage audiences. If you can write, edit, or design, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you to paying clients. And here's a tip. Start with small gigs, get great reviews, and you can quickly increase your rates. Number 3. Social media management. Businesses understand the power of social media, but many don't have the time or know how to manage it. If you can schedule posts, engage with followers, and analyze results, you can start managing accounts for local businesses. Use free tools like Meta Business Suite to get started. One teenager in Texas now earns $5,000 a month just managing Instagram accounts for restaurants. Number 4. Online tutoring. Education has gone digital, and platforms like TutorMe, Preply, and Cambly allow you to teach subjects you're already good at. Speak fluent English? You can tutor international students, good at math. High schoolers need help with algebra and calculus. And guess what? You don't need a teaching degree, just knowledge, patience, and a webcam. Number 5. Print on demand. If you have a creative streak, print on demand is a great side hustle with zero upfront costs. Platforms like Printify, Redbubble, and Teespring let you design custom apparel, mugs, and accessories without ever handling inventory. Just upload your designs, set your price, and let the platform handle the rest. One creator made thousands by selling simple, catchy slogan t-shirts that resonated with niche audiences. You ever check your bank balance and wonder who's been spending all your money? Spoiler alert, it's you. The truth is, side hustles don't require genius-level talent. Look at Jake. He started flipping free items he found on Craigslist, listing them on Facebook Marketplace and turning a profit within weeks. What made the difference? He took action, learned from each sale, and stayed persistent. Side hustles aren't about luck, they're about strategy and execution. And here's the best part. You already have everything you need to begin. Now you know 5 powerful side hustles you can start with $0. But what about the hidden opportunities no one's talking about? Watch our next video, Side Hustles No One Talks About That Actually Work, where we reveal the untapped side hustle niches that are quietly making people thousands each month. Click on the video right here and let's turn your hustle into results.